Helpful shortcut you need to know for Windows 11. Windows has this special tool to capture screenshots. This called the snipping tool. There are 4 ways to open snipping tool. First, select the Start button, enter Snipping Tool, then select Snipping Tool from the results. Second, simply press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S for a static image snip. Third is press Print Screen on your keyboard for a static image snip. Then the last is by press Windows logo key plus Shift plus R for a video snip. Then select the screen area you want to capture. Then press Start. Cool, right? If you find this video helpful, hit sub or follow if you want to learn more about computers. Thanks.